Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining this video. Today I'll show you how to enable power saving mode in the Maps.me app on your phone. If you often travel or use offline maps, this feature helps reduce battery usage and keeps your navigation running longer on the go. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, from the list that appears, tap on Settings to open the main configuration menu. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Power Saving Mode. Tap on it to open the available power saving options. Finally, choose Maximum Power Saving to extend your battery life while using Maps.me. This option will reduce background updates and limit high battery consumption, making it ideal for long trips or when your battery is running low. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.